In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're new to Google Sites, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step so you'll feel comfortable by the end. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Google account to access the Sites feature. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Sites, google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see a list of any sites you've previously created under your account. If you haven't created a site yet, you'll have the option to start a new project. Choose the site you want to add a background to by clicking on it. This will open the site's editing interface, which allows you to customize elements such as text, images, and of course, the background. Next, locate the section where you want to add or modify the background. This is typically a header or any section of the page you feel could use an aesthetic boost. Hover over that section and a toolbar should appear, usually featuring options like Section Background. Click on the Image button, which allows you to either select an image from your albums or upload a new one. Now, if you're looking to add a new image as a background, click on Upload. This will open a window allowing you to browse your computer's files. Navigate to the folder containing your desired image, select the image file, and click Open. For best results, make sure the image is of high quality and proportionate to the section's dimensions, so it doesn't appear stretched or pixelated. Once the image is uploaded, it might take a moment to process. When it appears correctly, you may see options to adjust its fit or position within the section. Feel free to play around with these settings until you're satisfied with how the background complements the rest of your content. Finally, to make your changes live, you need to click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the page. This step updates your site, making the newly added background visible to your visitors. You might be prompted to review any changes before finalizing them, so take a moment to ensure everything looks just right. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully added a background to your Google site. It's an easy way to enhance the visual interest of your pages. Feel free to experiment with different backgrounds to see what works best for your design goals. Remember, the key to a compelling site is balancing visual appeal with readability. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!